Hey guys, it is 8:15, March 1, and I'm just gonna try to vibe. I don't have any specific plan for this vlog, but I know it's gonna be, and hopefully you guys enjoy. So guys, I finished editing my video, and my cousin is in the bathroom. I don't know what she's doing. What are you doing? Say hi.
No, fuck no. No, I'm not doing anything.
Okay, I'm gonna put music so we can turn it.
No, I'm just kidding.
Ooh, let's put Glorilla.
Glorilla, yeah.
My favorite Glorilla.
My favorite artist, guys. Oh my god.
I'm gonna put Glorilla.
Tel Aviv to Kingston connection, vibe them overflow, no interception. When we touch the road, you know we bless man, ever bless man.
You right here with me.
Side and the spliff I like the stress build up inside now seems so light like fresh cut, fresh shave, just bathe and me babe she a put on a dress and a makeup.
So guys, me and my cousin, we're going to be doing a photo shoot outside of our house because we're bored and nothing to do in the house. We're gonna be doing it in front of the neighbor's house because his house has lightning. You feeling me? Yeah. House, and we're gonna do a photo shoot. Look at the lightning, bro. You can't tell me the lightning is not good. Look at this. This looks so good. What's this break?
Artlist.io.
So guys, we just got out of the supermarket and I got ice cream and this chips.
Banana.
And
I
what
got
did you got?
double decker with
And-
some ice cream. I
and
got
what?
an Oreo cake, something. I don't know what it is. It was good though, because it's in my tummy. And I got a chocolate because I'm a big guy.
A few moments later.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
And these black hoes is there and keep on walking. Like, say hi to my vlog, everyone.
Artlist.io.
want.
Nothing to discuss, I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cups and shy, see this night I choose to forget my trouble. I know everybody go down. I get the shy, you get the jingle. If you got mine, I make me link up. Me I go for party, me I go for party. All night I sip, but they smoke, I they drink or something. See this night in my phone is on silence, I don't wanna hear nothing. Nothing, either. Got this one for life. I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget that.
They're already at the car and they're not even thinking about me. That's just crazy. Got my food. Now I'm heading to the car.